Okay, Maya, you're gonna create a melody for me. Here's what you're gonna do. I want you to pick 4 notes, okay? Any of these 4, just hit some of these keys and just see what happens. Just tap them. Pretend they're hot though, like that's not hot, like this one. Tap, 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 tap. There you go. There you go. All right, keep going. There you go, some plucky sound. Yeah, those are a little bit different, right? So I want you to pick 4 that are in this general area, right? Any 4, and I want you to repeat a pattern, okay? Let's see if you can do it. Just play around with it and explore for the next few seconds. You have something in mind? We're gonna try it, okay? All right, so try it. Yeah, that's fine too. 4 notes, right? 4 notes, and you're gonna try to make them repeat, okay? Whenever you're ready. Okay, stop, right? Very good. Do you guys see her notes up there? Those notes one at a time.